textures. What is a texture? A texture is basically a image file. In Unity, a texture can be used in many different ways. The most common use of the texture in Unity is to apply the texture on the material. I have downloaded an image of a texture. Is simply an image. As you can see, there are bricks in this image. Just drag and drop this image in the asset folder. Click on the image texture. So as you can see, the type is texture, and let's apply this texture to the material. Click on the material, and as you can see, there are two main maps. And what is albedo map? Is the albedo map is actually controls the base color of the surface. Let's look another definition is what albedo is. The proportion of the incident light or radiation that is reflected by a surface, typically that of a planet or a moon. That's the general definition of the albedo. You can get the idea. It's actually the map that shows the main surface of the material. Let's change this map. Let's right click on this small dot and select the brick texture. And as you can see, the brick texture is applied to our cube. Let's change this color. Let's change the lightning to white. And for the emission, let's change it to black. These are the standard properties if you want your texture to look as it is on the game object or 3D object. As you can see, now the texture is applied to the game object with the help of materials. So a recap, what I did, first just create the material, then applied the texture to the material and applied your material to the cube. Let's change some other properties of the material. Metallic, no, my wall is not metallic. Smoothness, there's no smoothness on the wall. Okay, cube, let's change the scale to 5. And Y is 2, and Z should be, I think, 0.5 is enough. Yes. So here is our wall. As you can see, the material or the texture on our wall is little bit stretching. Let's set the tiles of the material. So just click on the material on which our texture is already applied. Okay, here's the tiling property. If I set the X to 2, so this texture is applied on this material 2 times. So yes, now it's looking pretty good. 3, no, now it's looking pretty good. So here's the small introduction of materials.